run on the British Touring Car Field. With a mixture of classes down there as well. Nice to see the different classes will be open. Lots of great racing on the cars. Got a good experience, we said, for this weekend. The open quickest in terms of the most race wins last year, number 66 machine of secondary. Session here, number 55, 7, 1. Trying to make up, he's got for about 8 tenths per second to try and get himself in terms of coming down into the pit lane, decided to work his way into the pits, back out to try top 4 as it stands, but the full complement of 22 cars have headed out, have spent the time. Already we have just 8 minutes now. Want to get a move on?
Certainly do, yeah. It's quite incredible how quickly these qualifying sessions put in a lap session. It takes a little while to get the tyres up to temperature, get the cars working at temperature, and then cars on the circuit, and only 15 minutes to qualify. Got to make every lap pretty much run down from Druids down towards Round Fair. The story, it dropped a lot of fluid, not only coming around the circuit to line up the trucks and stuff, but they just got into Druids, so they got down the track and then kind of made contact with it. It's offline, isn't it? Yeah, but it might just happen for a few laps, so just have to be careful where they're waiting. Someone in contact will help dry it up and release all that dust into the air, but she's still quickest. He's now popped into the pit lane briefly, and he goes straight back out to the circuit underneath us. So he heads back out. Stephen very used to that there. Real zone outside the top 10. There might be one car. As it stands, but yeah, time coming in nicely with just under 6 minutes to go. Joyce started in the next car of 6 runs within the championship series of today, and then further down we have the 2 Browns coming in there by number 42 and mainly 15th place overall. More transponder issues as well, so the timekeepers down below us will be manually trying to do those 2 cars, being 28 David Taylor. Working, they have to racing help on. But so far, Ross Alexander has a nice and healthy one session. Find out in 5 minutes time, because the clock counts down to 5 minutes remaining in this qualifying session. Cars just need to check their transponders. This is the time that TSL timing
last year, this race needs to be which year it goes back to. It's quite a long way now, isn't it? Back catalogue of results on the TSL website, TSL-time. Updated information.
Yeah, if you like to have a conversation about time, go through that app as well. Like to keep that program up to date, then you can do that after the weekend. PDF and everything like that is available for you to keep those programs up to date. I was one of those who used to do that, but now the time has passed, you don't get to do it. But the rest of the program Saturday, Hamilton was a big race for them back in the day.
Live commentary as well is streamed throughout the week.
Still around about 8 tenths, but two in between the sort of two. So really has stole a march so far this weekend within the practice and the qualifying session that we've had. He's now decided to head for the pit lane, so whether that's easy, I'll have to wait and see. But back out, might be very line in that very striking livery and mini, which makes way down to third place car is 13 of C's, which will be running within the Coupe S class. So 959 is that of Jamie Ringer, the man from Surrey, and then behind that we still have fourth and fifth in the same order as well, with Freddie Hewitt, who's back on 30th after a break. That means Steve Webb at the minute. Everyone has done a competitive time.
That is for Ross Alexander, isn't it? Down at the pit lane now. 54.773 to be 0.8 of a second, nearly a second quicker than reigning champion Steve Perry last year. Good that they've got the champion returning this year, because he's never taken consecutive titles each time. Is the result of scoring on poles over the course of the year. Luck has to play a reasonable part in that as well. Some people can have a bit of bad luck as the year goes on and just miss out on the title. But Steve Berry is here to retain that title, to defend the title. Defending the title is never easy. Defend that title.
Yeah, I think it is, isn't it? You come into another year where everyone knows
chasing the first time, he's the one who catches these hard this year.
Certainly is. We've got a few seconds left on the clock now, so you check the flag. Now over the pit wall, and the first of those to receive that check the flag is going to be the number 12 machine by the looks of it. So across the line the number 12 machine goes, and Charlie Newton just about receive that. My client Simon O'Keefe, everyone else now will receive that checker flag with Ross Alexander in the pit lane. He will not complete the session, nor will the car be 5th and 6th places, that being Steve Webb, and also the car number 44 of Charles Kingsley. So they are done for the time being. There's no real greens on our screen. I think there's probably one sector which has been improved lower down. That comes from the number 86 machine of David McGuire. He's jumped up into 17th place from the previous lap, so that is the only improvement I think we have on the final laps of this qualifying session yet. So it will be Ross Alexander quickest on his